Herman, this your first impression and what came to your mind when you first saw Dolomite.
Wait, you like that shit?
Oh, let me find out, motherfucker.
That's right, motherfucker.
What you got there? What you know about a motherfucker, motherfucker?
Motherfucker, I'm the original motherfucker.
Oh.
Matter of fact, how's your wife and my kids, motherfucker?
My wife and your kids. Hey.
No, my wife and your kids.
Oh, your wife and my kids.
No, I beg your pardon.
No, we got the part in the big.
Hey, I shoot blanks. My shit's covered.
Well, this media can't pick that up, or can they even verify if that's true or not? Yeah, all right, motherfucker.
That's right, motherfucker.
Let me find out.
Fucking with a Dolomite. You fucking with dynamite.
Well, what you know about Dolomite? They came out in the hood.
Dynamite, motherfucker.
I know you come from Haight-Ashbury, not the hood.
I go to the parks, man. And
Don't try and jump. Don't try and jump.
See the OGs out there, man. They'll be out there like, motherfucker, what you doing out here?
I need a $45
I'm motherfucking looking for a cigarette. Well, here, motherfucker, smoke it. That's what I know about it.
Yeah, okay. Well, next time.
But, you know, originally, I know I'm a motherfucker, and I don't mind being a motherfucker, because that's the only way I can become a father.
I am a motherfucker.
Well, how long you been a motherfucker? I mean, it's only so long.
As long as I became a father.
Oh, okay. Well,
I mean, I had to fuck
I think I was a motherfucker before I was a father.
Mother.
Fuck that. Because there's always other people's kids.
Grandma caught me fucking my grandma.
Ooh.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Well, that was
He
kind
said,
of...
what you doing? My dad come in there and went, what the fuck you doing fucking my mother? I said, well, shit, you fucked mine.
Is that why you talk like that? Is that why you talk like that?
Oh, that was a good.
Damn right.
Oh, goodness. Well, 2020 is having the ability to see. 2020 vision, you got hindsight is 2020. And this life sometimes, after you move on to the wherever you're going to, is 2020. Because you kind of looking at behind you, seeing what really went down.
I'm going everywhere.
Shit.
All at once.
Yeah.
You talking Dolomite, you ain't talking no limitations. You better get your shit straight, motherfucker.
That's how it be then. And we'll be posting this for years to come. Thank you very much. This is Grider GTV.
Sign out.
Sign out.
Big motherfucker you too.
There you go.